Hi guys, I'm Sohit. I hope you're fine. So today this video I am installing on the Node.js on your PC. So firstly you can open your Chrome browser and search now at Node.js and click on the first link and this is the download button. So click on the download button few seconds because they are download. I will be open it and they are the open on the software and click on the next button. So I am already installing on the Node.js on your PC, so that don't worry. Click on a change and then next and change. They are installed on the all the Node.js and they are asking a permission. So yes, give a permission, and so they are install on the Node.js are completed and they click on the finish button. So they are installed my own PC. So go to the start menu and you see there are Node.js on the folder was created. So open your Node.js and you see v22.11.0. I am installing on the v22 version on the Node.js and the latest version, and so I will be create a variable a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10. You see this is the print of the a and b, and I will be sum of the a and plus b, so a plus b. So what is the output? 15 is the print. This video get information, so please like and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.